Alright, here's our unboxing of Sigma half-wave aluminum antenna, specified for CB and 10 meter. Took about 2 days to get here from the UK. That's pretty fast, I would say. Well, look here, we got a box inside of a box. They definitely don't mess around with the shipping. Well, guess now we'll get to the Sigma half-wave here. Making our way. Yeah, it's like Christmas when you're buying CB gear. Every day, constantly buying. Now look at there. There we go. That's how it comes, right there in the box. Kind of cool. Yep. Whoa, that's heavy. No, not really. Thing don't weigh nothing. Ah, that's funny. I figured it was a little heavier, but that's nice. And there's your hardware. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Got some directions. Just in case anybody wants to know what comes in the box. Since there's not a whole lot of YouTube videos out there. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Got one screw that made itself out of there. It's okay. Tell you what, that's pretty cool. Actually, it's pretty strong. So we got a few pieces. Look at that. They even mark where you need to put it. Pretty much adjust these aluminum rods. Use one of these little clamps. And it's nice that they already like pre-mark it for you. I'm sure you might have to do a little fine tuning at the end there, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5 sections. Let's take the small one out first. Yep, there will be the one you probably have to do a little adjusting with. That's the top one. And they do have them all marked. That's impressive. Well, this is the end of the first part. Stay tuned for the rest of the install coming up. Thank you.